guys, me and my buddy Arjun are in Goa right now at the Hotel Rio Resorts, and we are going to IBW right now. And next shot is from IBW. See you there. Back in India Bike Week. This is the KTM IBW stall, and it is very beautiful and looks fantastic. I'm super excited for all the launches.
3, 2, 1, rock!
The winner of India
and make
Namaste.
You walk.
Well, it's a big delight to have all KTM fans and riders with us over here. Come on KTM guys, make some noise! Alright, ever since for the last 18 years, it's been an undisputed champion at the Dakar. To the extent that in 2019, we got the entire podium, first, second and the third. Now when there's a bike coming from a stable like that, it's going to perform very, very differently. You've got to ask the riders about it.
This is the new KTM 390 Adventure! Come on, put your hands together for Giamatti Sala and the KTM 390 Adventure.
This is Mr. Giamatti Sala, and he rode down the mountain on a 390 Adventure and came on stage.
I wait there for running together. Ciao.
The 390 Adventure is just launched here. Expect it in January 2020, and I'll do an off-road review of this motorcycle as it arrives at my dealership. So stay tuned on my channel.
मुझे 390 एडवेंचर बहुत अच्छा लगा. बस वेट कर रहा हूँ कब आएगा, फिर बुकिंग करेंगे, खरीदेंगे, फिर ट्रिप लेके जाएंगे.
Svartpilen 250.
All right, big round of applause for this amazing beauty.
Vitpilen 250.
The moment you are eligible to get a license at KT, we've got a product for you. And even when you turn 50 like me, there is a product which is there in our store. So we are ready to look after you from 18 to 75. That's a brilliant deal out there.
Today we have launched Husqvarna 250cc motorcycles. There are two brands, two Husqvarna motorcycles which will come, Svartpilen and Vitpilen, and then KTM Adventure 390, much awaited motorcycle is here.
So it is all about once you are on the machine, then machine takes you the way.
Enjoy the adventure.
MW Duke 790 पे राइड किया गया, खतरनाक राइड है. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
With Bike Week Girl and at IBW Goa 390.
But I'm really excited about this one right here, man. It's a freaking killer MotoGP KTM, and I can't wait to at least go close to it.
This is the very motorcycle that got us the Dakar Rally Championship, and we are proud to have this motorcycle at IBW Goa. And I'm very thrilled and amazed, and I just want to touch this motorcycle because this one goes to Dakar Rally.